Seasonal rental available December 1, 2023, March 31, 2024. Be the first tenant to stay in this beautifully renovated beachside home. It is the perfect place to spend the winter months. Open floor plan, all tile flooring, plenty of space to spread out in, and a gorgeous kitchen with a big island and wine bar, perfect for entertaining family or friends. Relax poolside, have your morning coffee on the covered patio or sit fireside and take in the ocean breeze. Enjoy the sunrises at the beach and the sunsets from the river. Also close to parks, tennis courts, restaurants and shopping. This is a true gem. Rent includes just about everything: electric, gas, water, cable/internet, trash, pool maintenance and lawn service. In addition to rent, tenants to pay 12% tourist/travel tax.